The smart home alarm system stands out by eliminating monthly fees, allowing users to manage it cost-effectively through a free smartphone app. With instant push notifications via the Tuya or Smart Life app, this alarm system ensures you are immediately alerted to any security breaches. Equipped with 12 pieces, including sensors and remotes, this system provides comprehensive security coverage for your home. It supports both 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and GSM networks, offering flexible connectivity options for enhanced reliability. The system is highly customizable, supporting multiple zone types and up to 100 wireless zones to meet diverse security needs. Featuring a 1.8-inch TFT color display, the system's status is clearly visible, enhancing user interaction and control.